Hi everyone, welcome to Oakleigh Watches. Today we've got a quick unboxing video of a new piece of stock that dropped just a couple of days ago. Could be the ideal Christmas present. Let's have a look. So obviously those of you that have seen these many times before know this is a Rolex box. Got the outer sleeve, we've got the inner box here. It's got the little protective thing on top. And when we open this up, what's in here is a beautiful Rolex 278-274 Datejust. It's a Datejust 31. We'll just have a look at this. We can see the Slate dial, which is just subtle and understated and gorgeous. It's got a stainless steel case, stainless steel Jubilee bracelet with the concealed clasp that gives it that real jewelry feel rather than a watch kind of a feel. Key element of this is also the 18-karat white gold fluted bezel rather than the plain steel one, so that lifts it up. This is the top end of the 278-274 before you start getting into diamonds and that kind of stuff. White gold surrounds to the hour markers. So this is a 31mm watch to suit modern trends for a lady's wrist. Beautiful combination of Jubilee bracelet, fluted gold bezel, and a slate dial. Fantastic looking thing. In the top of the box, we have everything we would expect. We've got the Oyster Perpetual Datejust manual. We've got the warranty, translation, and service documents. The papers are here. This is a 2021 watch, so it's still under Rolex warranty for a bit. And in here as well, we've also got the serial numbered white tag and the green superlative certified chronometer seal. So 2021, ladies, 31mm, 278-274 Datejust with a fluted gold bezel on a Jubilee bracelet. Absolutely gorgeous. Hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much. Visit our website. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll bring you some more content.